In this video, I'm going to show you how to suspend an object in Bambu Studios like I did with this fish sculpture. Let's jump right in. We've got our two objects in here, and the first thing I'm going to do is just rotate this fish to get it on the right angle. So we're going to rotate this something about like that. And then I'm going to just select the object again and move it kind of where I want. But what you'll notice is if I pull this up, it doesn't stay. So part of this is due to Bambu Studio's just basic settings of, hey, it has to be connected to the build plate. So in this case, I'm going to select this fish again, and I'm going to move it exactly where I want it, which is about right there. And what I need to do is adjust this up and just get this to stay. The only way I'm going to be able to get this to stay up here is if I combine these parts, meaning that I still have part of the sculpture on the plate, and that's going to be supporting this piece up here. So in order to do that, I'm going to come over here to our Objects tab, and I'm going to select both my aquarium rocks and my fish sculpture, and I'm going to right-click and select Merge. So at this point, they are now one object, and they are assembled together. So now I can select my fish and move this up. Check and see where our height is. Okay, and I can select the fish again and just move it over a tiny bit until we get that intersect. So looks like I'm getting it there. So we can set that like that. So that's how you're going to move it. You're going to have to combine the objects to get it to stay up on top. Now, there is another scenario where maybe I don't have the rocks as an option. And in a scenario like that, what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to pull my fish over here. I'm going to actually delete these rocks out. So now I just have my fish sculpture. If I try to raise this off the bed, I'm not going to be able to do that because I have to be attached. So what you'll need to do is essentially add a sacrificial piece. So I'm just going to right click and add a primitive cube and make it however big I want. And I do this quite often where I'm going to print just on the supports because I want the detail. I can shrink this down as small as I want, this down to 5. And now what I'm going to do is the same steps where I'm going to select both objects, right click, merge them. And now when I select my fish, I can raise it off the build plate as high as I want, and it will stay. So let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or if this is something that you've done in the past. Is there another way that you're able to do this? Thanks for sticking around to the end, and we'll see you at the next video.